Alright, so today I'm over here on a service call and I'm on an Amana unit, and well, this control board is fried all around this relay. It's cooked. So Amana doesn't make that board, and the Amana dealer in the area doesn't have anything. So I'm going to attempt to replace this board with just a general purpose relay to give them air conditioning. It's that, or we got to replace the unit. But it's this or a fan center. I feel like this, sorry if it's dark, would be just a little easier. So here's power into my unit. What I'm going to do is disconnect it. I apologize, but I got to have the light in my mouth. For now, I'm probably not even going to use these two wires for anything. I'm pretty much going to abandon everything. I need my transformer wires. So that's my transformer. No, okay. Unused L1. Oh. That's not a problem. I gotta cut that. Right here, this clip off. I'm in a space that I can't move at all. I'm jammed, or else I would be a little further back in my back pocket. Sometimes we just gotta do what we gotta do. I probably really should just try to get between my feet to my bag. The dikes would have been easier to make that cut. Okay, so for my fan setting, these are not in use. Only the black is being used. Okay, so that's my fan setting. We'll pop that. Normally open side. Maybe I will use this wire here. Let's see. So now, those were unused. This is fan common. Now let me just see, what is my voltage on this beast? Here we go, it's upside down, I know, but 208, 230, okay. So, that's just gonna get spliced into my L2, L1. Alright, transformer. Oh, I'm starting to sweat really, really bad. So take these off. This is my transformer. Alright, now these resistors are not going to be used. Thermostat stuff. Really, dude. Oh. Yep. Okay. So, what we got here? What we got? The wet switch. Why? Okay, that's common. Y should only be 2 wires. It's got a jumper O to Y, not a heat pump. So I don't know why they have a jumper. I think this is set up for a heat pump. So G, move that, move the R. Okay, these resistors are useless. Alright, the whole board is useless at this point. So, let's take it out of my way. There's my failure. Back of the fan relay. Bzz, 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 bzz. Just frying away. Bzz, 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 bzz. Okay, my general purpose relay. Right there. Let me get 2 screws, zip it up in place. Let me get my long drill bit. 5/16, 1/4 inch. At least I know where things are without really seeing them. Well, they're probably just hitting the fan house. Okay, so now here's the other end of my power wires. Oh, nice. I lost the needle nose. There. I was wrong. I'm gonna use them because I need to connect power to here. It's easier than trying to get a wire here. So let's get strippers and crimpers. Oh. Okay. Nope, almost lost the flashlight. Okay, so here's power in. Power is going to hit the beginning. I could put it on this one or that one if I want. Doesn't matter. G's gonna have to get a connector, and boom, right there. Now 24 volts. What do we got going on here for wiring? So it's a 240 unit. Common is black. 208 or 240 orange. I think it was orange in use, so I'll use that. That'll check the power, then I'll adjust. So cool. I'll make this L1. I love losing things in front of me. So I had red wire nuts. I know I dropped one on the floor, but I should still have one here. Let me just move my tools fast and see. From where I am. I guess I lost both. I don't know. So these wires are useless. Let's move them out of my way for now. Put them right here. Okay, the red wire, for now I'm not going to use. I'm going to use the orange. I could use this. Too funny. I could have gone here. And there's that. If I didn't cut that. No, because I still need power to hit. This is from the fan, the common. Still disappointed that I lost that red wire, which was right in front of me. I should not be chicken, whatever, and I should just step on to the decking. Where did it fall? Where did it fall? I hate losing things I need. Sad part is when I watch the video, I'll be like, hey, there it was the whole time. If it fell, it would have fallen over here somewhere. Not up here. So I'm under the unit. Yeah, the attic ate it. I gotta give up, or my bag caught it. One or the other. Yeah, my bag caught one. Good. Ow, I hit my head. Not a lot of space up here. It's a nice friggin' attic. I'm just gonna leave this uncut, guys. I hope you don't hate it too much. Cool. There we go. It's tight. Always make sure it's tight. Okay, so these are unused. Let me grab some tape. Then low voltage time. I'm going to tape up what I'm not using. Got my chin now holding on to my flashlight. I got to get my magnetic one back, or a new one. I broke it. That should protect the end for now. Just don't like leaving ends. Blue and yellow was my power. So just to keep it out of my way. Why make a mess? What's here? Here's my fan. So, Havoc Blue. I know, before anybody says you should never crimp solid wire, I don't believe you. They say you shouldn't, but I don't believe that. It's a big no-no. Oh, it'll suck. They left it the same size. I didn't even know it was smaller. I could always cut and splice if I want, but I don't want to. I gotta get the light mod for my camera. Here the fold's even more important. I'm gonna use the yellow. That's all I got. I'm not climbing out, I'm climbing back in. Not until I'm ready to test it. Put the breaker back on. Okay. There's that common. Shouldn't really matter. So secondary, blue, yellow. So nothing's grounded, so it doesn't make a difference. It could be either one. So what I'll do. Cool. That's my common there. I'm going to make this break Y. So white's going to be Y. And red's going to be another common. Getting used to the heat. It's not that warm up here, but it feels hot. Not used to it yet. Just the beginning of the year. Okay, that won't let go. Okay, that's on. So, oh, I get the sweat off my head. So if I'm breaking Y here, white switch, white switch. Nope, that red cannot. I could break the common for the condenser, but if I'm doing that, I'm not even coming out of the unit, so let's see, thermostat wired. What? Here's power. So gonna turn blue, and on my 24 there's no polarity on that transformer. Neither side is grounded. So blue is now 24. I need to get a wire nut. Okay, transformer is powered. Sloppy low voltage wires, but whatever. Green energizes fan. Okay, so where's my wire going outside? Oh wait, yeah. Okay, hold on. This is a mess. Okay. This is my condenser wire. So I need to power it. Through the wet switch. It's going to get power, and it's going to send it to the condenser. Woohoo. Okay, thermostat calls power to thermostat. Thermostat sends power back up the white, energize my condenser. I hate extra wires. Always simplify the best you can. Sometimes it means just redoing everything. That's why I cut all those ties. I'm like, wait, what's happening here? I gotta make sense of the wiring. I haven't seen the thermostat, but it's okay because that's where I'll go next. So, like I said, power, transformer, 24 volts, goes up to thermostat, comes back, call for my condenser, for my AC, Y, hits this, goes through wet switch, comes back up, feeds the white wire for outside, red wire is common. Okay, that's the common coming back from my condenser. Alright, so I'm ready pretty much to turn it on, I think. Let's see. Everything is connected. The red one was not reused. Get it out of the unit. Could I avoid? No, because I need to power up the top. I could have energized this wire. I would need 3. I don't have a 3 stake on, so, but wait. Yeah, hey, might as well do that. I like that idea better. So, I'm actually going to clean it up a little bit more. I'll wait. But then, then I'm crimping more. Never mind. Just leave it. Okay, now I gotta find a way to get the breaker back on. I gotta climb out of here, get to the breaker, come back. But everything is connected. This is hitting this for line 2. Cool. Tight. What's going on with this wire? I just don't like whoever spliced this, how they did it. And that's what's screwing me up. Is just seeing this doesn't really matter too much, but I was like, but it looks the same. Probably does. I don't know why they left 20 feet of wire here. For now, I'm gonna leave it alone. Why they didn't use yellow for why, I don't know. So we shut down. My GoPro overheated. I added some ties on here to strap it up and make the wires a little neater. Now one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move to the side. So they're sitting right in front of the unit when I energize it. It should work. I don't smell any burnt transformer, but we will find out. There we go. Blower's on. So they have AC again. Ugh, sorry, it's dark. Flashlight bugging out. Okay, there we go. All right. I hear refrigerant flowing. This is working. So there you go. I replaced the control board. Turn it off. Let's see. I replaced control board with a relay. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this little repair. I'm gonna get out of this little attic. It sucks, but everything's working here, so my customer will be happy. They have air conditioning again. That's all anybody cares about. It's being comfortable. Now they have time till they have to replace the unit. They don't have to replace it today. All right, till next time, guys. I'm Bill, and I'm getting out of here. Peace.